Hey guys, happy Monday. Michelle and I are here to be able to show you our newest kit, but I'm over here and I want to be able to just show you what the packaging looks like and what the recipe cards look like that you're going to get in it. So as you know, every Monday and Wednesday we introduce a new kit that allows you to do what we call is craft a beautiful life. So everything comes in it and it makes doing projects a lot more fun and a lot easier. So as you pop on, be sure and say hello and tell us where you're tuning in from. And also you want to be sure and tag 3 friends because you're going to be able to go into a drawing that you'll be able to win a free kit like this that we'll draw on Wednesday afternoon. So let me turn this around. I want you to see. So here's the box. This particular kit is called our Cheers Chalkboard kit. And so they come in these adorable boxes and they have these stickers on the outside. So that way, if you give this as a gift, they're going to see what it is that they're getting. And when they open up, just like this, it comes with a recipe card and your stencil, as well as the stand that we're getting ready to show you, and your chalk art and your spreader. So all of this comes together in this kit, and the recipe cards are great because they have all the step outs on the back, as well as what we'll be showing you today. Now, we've got 3 kits today, guys. So we've got the Joy Chalkboard kit, which comes with this stand. So you see the shape, they're all 3 different. So we have the Joy, and these are the stencils that come with this one. They're totally different. So if you want, you could literally order all 3, and that way you would have 3 different shapes. I am totally in love with this Joy. Then we have the Blessed Chalkboard kit, which look at the shape, it's totally different. And then we have the Cheers Chalkboard kit, which is more square. So here they are in person. So it allows you to be able to see that's the Bless, the Cheers, and the Joy. But see all together, look how cute they are, all 3 of them. So fun. All right, so I'm going to turn this around because as we do this, we always like to give you step-by-step instructions on what to do and what it's going to look like. And I have my friend Michelle here with me. So I'm going to turn this around. Part of why we're doing this today is because I left my stand at home. So I'm acting as cameraman. So,
hi, friends.
Hey. So, did you have a good weekend?
I did have a good weekend. I hope our little viewers had a great weekend too. What projects did y'all work on? Because I know you did not do nothing.
Dude, and I'm just going to use that as a cue, Michelle, because we have what's called Crafting a Beautiful Life.
Yes, one of my favorite places on Facebook.
So it allows you to be able to show kind of join the bragging rights.
Absolutely.
Of what it is that you're making. So I'm going to turn this around, and Michelle, we want to be able to show everybody what it is that we're doing today. So this particular kit is called Cheers, Y'all. This might be one of my favorite stencils.
It probably is.
I've used it more than any other stencil.
Mm-hmm. Well, these are your sayings.
I say this all the time. Bless
like,
your
these
heart.
Are things you say.
Come and get it. Dig in. Cheers, y'all. I'm just going to tell you this right here, too. I know we're using it on this stand today, which is great as far as setting up for your buffet or whatever in your kitchen. But I love using this with the ink on a big satin ribbon.
Yes.
And I allow the Cheers, y'all, I keep duplicating all the way across. It's fantastic on a ribbon.
This design, like, so intricate, etches beautifully,
yes,
gel art beautifully,
yes,
chalk art beautifully with all of that detail. I love this wording.
Agreed.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
So, so then this one is the one we have partnered with this stand. Now, we want to tell you about these stands. They are all metal.
They're heavy.
Yeah, they're really heavy. They're iron. And so it really makes for something that you can use for years and years.
Absolutely.
So that way, I love doing, when I do buffets, when I'm cooking and doing stuff in the kitchen, of course, we were raised Baptist, so you hang out in the kitchen.
Always.
Always. It's all about food.
I mean, that's what Baptists do. We eat.
We eat.
I'm a recovering Baptist. That's what I call it, recovering.
Oh.
But we eat.
Are y'all like that? I mean, when y'all have family when it's the holidays, do y'all
we
just
live
eat?
in the kitchen.
We're always eating. But these cute little stands in this kit that we've got today, you could have it saying "Cheers, y'all," and have it in the bathroom next to your custom towels.
Absolutely. Well, not only that, it's a chalkboard. We're giving you chalk art. So what can you do? Wipe it off And start
over.
over.
Do it all over again.
You could have it with like some of the little coffee stencils we had on your coffee stand. You could have it.
Oh, I love that idea.
I know. Baby showers.
Oh my gosh.
You could stencil the baby's name to be or
Oh my
boy
gosh,
or girl.
that is so cute.
I mean, these are
Yes,
amazing.
yes.
To
They're
have
really
on
heavy.
hand.
They're really heavy. You're going to be really surprised with the quality.
You'll
of
use them over and over and over.
I promise. All right. So, and you can, if you want, you can get all three because they're all three different shapes.
And they're completely different kits. So you're getting a different stand,
Yes.
different colors of chalk art, and a
Yes.
different stencil.
Yes.
You can create something different with each one of these. You're not going to get duplicated stuff. You're like, what do I do with this now?
Yes. No, it's fabulous.
Lots
All right,
of new.
So let's turn this around, and we're gonna show them. So,
Our beautiful little stand. I did a little jig for Amy.
So guys, if you're tuning in, you want to be sure and tag 3 friends because that way we always give away a kit every week and we have a drawing and we announce the winner on Wednesdays, 2 days after, and then the kit on Wednesdays we announce on Friday.
Absolutely. Okay, guys, you know what I'm doing. I'm cutting on the cut lines that we make for you so that I can get this to the size that I need it. And if I was going to cut this smaller, I would want to cut in the gray. You don't ever want to cut across your white. I'm going to lay my stand down because I want the surface to be as stable as possible. And we have lightly adhesive stencils. They are mesh. So there's fabric in here, which is why you get that deep detailing in the design. And this one fits just
Perfectly.
right.
And guys, these are reusable.
Absolutely.
So that way, this time we're going to use it with the chalk art on our metal chalkboard. Thank you for tagging your friends, Lindsay. That way everybody can see what it is that we're doing and it puts you in for the drawing of the giveaway kit. But also, guys, with these, they're really nice, heavy metal, and I love the shape of them. I think they're just so classic. This is something you'll use for years to come.
Absolutely.
So, but you can reuse this, and I love this with ink on my
Yes,
ribbon. I do
yes.
this on red ribbon, green ribbon. I need to do a Facebook Live and show y'all how I make my custom ribbons.
Absolutely. So I'm going to use a smaller one because I'm going to be doing 2 different colors. So I want it to just be about the width of my words. So I can go across it pretty darn easy.
Yeah.
And we're going to do,
Happy Monday, Kathy.
well, we're going to do
Hey, Pat.
big red on top. So I guess
Hey,
we'll do
Carol
red on
Ann. Hey,
top.
Mary. Hey, Monica.
Hi, friends. This is Love is Chalk Art, and that is way too much.
Yeah, we don't need very much.
Nope. See how much? Like, you're going to have all that left over plus
And
this.
all that comes in the kit. So here's the cool thing. You don't have to go to 3 different stores going and finding stuff. What's so great about these kits is that everything's in it. So it makes for a great gift. Hey, Monica, this is her first time watching us.
Hi,
Welcome.
Monica.
Hey, Deborah.
Welcome
Arkansas,
to us.
you're our neighbor. Right, West Memphis is right over the bridge.
Yes, it is.
Hey, Brenda.
All right, friends, so I'm pushing through the mesh like we always talk about. I'm working quickly.
Yeah, you do want to,
because
when you're working with chalk art, you've got to work quicker.
it dries. So still small enough to get in there. Ooh, kind of. There we go. And I'm going to go down because I don't want to run into my red.
Thank you for sprinkling, Kathy. Hey, Carmelina. Hey, Cindy. Guys, so if you're just now popping on, this is our kit that we're introducing for today. It's a metal, really heavy metal stand that comes in 3 different kits, 3 different shapes with 3 different
ready?
stencils. How fun is that?
Y'all,
I mean,
look
it
at
doesn't
that
get
detail.
it doesn't get any easier. It's
So
really so fun,
pretty.
so easy, and I'm going to fall off my chair
No,
here,
don't
just
do
trying to
that.
make sure that I am. So if you are just now popping on, you want to know that we are introducing our Monday kit, and we love these
Yeah, we
because
do.
one, the quality of them. Michelle, do you want to bring those other ones over here so that way we can kind of show everybody?
So they can see the outside of the kit?
Well, just kind of the shape of all of them.
Oh, yeah.
So the cool thing about these guys is that this is your chalkboard surface
That's the
that
one
you
we
can
have.
wipe off.
This.
I love the shapes of them. Look at
Yes,
this.
I do too.
So see how
height,
this one
like-
is more square, And we have all three. There's 3 different kits. Carmelina says, so fancy and
so
easy.
Fancy.
They
I
are
know.
fancy.
It makes you look super high class, right?
Yes, love that. Hey, Cindy, be sure, guys, when y'all are hopping on, you need to tag 3 friends so that way your name goes into the drawing for the giveaway on Wednesday.
Absolutely. You
so
don't
you
wanna miss
see
out on that.
this shape. These are solid metal. They're really heavy. And then Joy. So sweet.
Love this.
Yes. So they're all totally different. And they're really a great buy for what it is that you're getting. Your stencil,
Absolutely.
this metal stand that you can use over and over and over again. And, you know, Michelle had a really good point
I made a good point. Yay!
about using these for baby showers and putting it
Everything.
next to your towels in your bathroom. I love the idea of having this, you know, maybe you have a drink area that you set up.
Yes.
I mean, like, how cute is that?
Yes.
Just where all your drink, now, you know, too, you can use the inks,
How
the
fun
chalk
would
art.
it be to do stuff like dig in, come and get it on all the different stands throughout your Thanksgiving table?
Love that.
Little
Yes.
food stands.
Yes, love
Come
that.
get it.
I love that.
Dig in.
But I'd also love just having Joy or Blessed
too.
in the bathroom, and then putting your hand towels and your candle,
Yes.
your Renew All candle, and your soap and everything next to it. Love
Yes.
that. So we have 3 kits today, 3 different shapes, 3 different stencils, and
You get to pick your poison, my friends.
pick your poison. You know, I like getting things for myself. This is one of those things that I could
You give
definitely
yourself?
give a gift to myself. Yes. Anything that I enjoy crafting and making things that kind of feeds my soul,
Yeah.
I do that type thing. So today is quick and easy. They are packaged beautifully. This is something you can definitely give as a gift.
Yeah, don't
that
miss
person
out.
will love, love, love. And I will tell you, all of these kits are limited quantities.
They are.
So you don't want to wait. If this is something that you love and it is classy and fancy, that they will love you for it. And it's priced reasonably. It's hard to find a
Absolutely.
great gift under
In a good
$45.
price range.
Yeah, I mean, it really is. So to be able to get this and give it to somebody, maybe even give it to yourself. So
Cindy said my earrings are super.
they are super
Thank you.
duper. They're really cute. Doesn't she look pretty today? So anyway,
So
have a
sweet.
happy Monday. I hope everybody is enjoying this gorgeous fall weather. Tag 3 friends so your name will go into the drawing. And gift yourself one of these kits because
Yeah,
they're
don't
not going to
miss
last
them.
long.
They're
They're
so fun.
fabulous. Have a great day, everybody.
Bye, friends.
Bye.